We told you yesterday about the low bar that bank earnings needed to please investors, and yet they still fell short. Citi has been taking the hardest hit today. The bank's trading revenue declined, even though Citi saw a big pickup in revenue from its equities part of the trading division. Its larger fixed income currencies and commodities, or FIC, side dragged down results. On a media call, Citi attributed that weakness to G10 rates and securitized products. Wells Fargo earnings are still under pressure from its sales practices scandal. Both profit and revenue declined in the second quarter, and it missed estimates. Mortgage revenue was also weak for Wells Fargo and some of the other banks, thanks to rising interest rates. JP Morgan's results, on the other hand, were pretty solid, with record quarterly revenue and net income and growth in nearly all the metrics tracked. On this morning's analyst call, Chairman and CEO Jamie Dimon touted the strong environment for banks despite trade tensions, saying there are very few potholes out there. Both JP Morgan and Citi addressed the trade war in their respective calls, saying that each of them has yet to make an impact on their businesses. The trade war has yet to really hurt them, but executives there at each of those banks are following the developments closely, guys.
Yeah, Leslie, it's interesting. We did see Wells Fargo shares kind of firm up over the course of the day, even though the company seems to be still in the penalty box. So perhaps maybe we're reassessing some of these numbers as the day goes on.
I think the sentiment surrounding Wells Fargo shares have been so negative that any kind of bright spot that investors can garner from those earnings, they're latching onto them and sending those shares higher today. As we talked about time and time again, the sector has just been really beaten down. So investors are looking for bright spots in the numbers, and overall the environment for banking, especially the type of banking for Wells Fargo, which really isn't that impacted by the trade war, is helped by the current environment. So perhaps, we could see things turn around over the next couple months there.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.